My name is Aisea Tuamoto. I'm from Namuka in Maduata. I play for the Islanders club, and the position I play is power forward and small forward. For my position, it's technically meant for taller players, and I'm actually pretty short. My height is 5'10", and so I'd had to learn to get stronger, get smarter, and get faster. And so even in my position, for us guys to win, we noticed that it doesn't matter what the stereotype is. Like, if you have the drive to overcome it, you can still get stuff done. And so same thing with work, same thing with family at home. Like, even though you don't, something's not going your way, there's always another way to get around it. One of the main ones is just in thinking of everyone around you. The decisions you make, not just on the court, but off the court, can affect your team as well. And so same decisions with my family, like any stupid decision I want to make, I said, no, I gotta take care of my family, or, And so, yeah, I mean, with the Islanders initially, we were almost all the decisions were focused not just around the team, but on the families. And how, so when we have our, after sessions, we'll invite the wives, and so the wives will get really involved. And so same thing with life too, not just involving the family, but just but when you make your decisions, just have a broader sense of how this decision will affect everybody else. I think the main lesson is just don't give up. I think losing is actually a part of winning. Before we won nationals, we were losing for 7 years, and then we finally figured it out. We had good people around us. But yeah, I think don't give up, work on the small things, and the small things matter. Waking up early, getting to training on time, but yeah, all of that. So the most important thing is first to enjoy the game, but if you do want to get better, you gotta put in effort. Not just come to training, but do your work at home. And don't be afraid to ask questions. If you feel like you're doing something wrong, there's always someone there to help.